students, today's in 6th standard second chapters and last topic in these chapters I will discuss about the vitamins deficiency diseases. Previous lectures I had discussed about the components of foods, vitamins, about minerals, sources of foods, and what is the importance of minerals, what is the importance of vitamins, different components of foods. So all of you know a body needs a regular supply of nutrients. Any human bodies, animals, any bodies needs a regular supply of nutrients. So deficiency, what is a deficiency? So deficiency or lack of nutrients. If any human bodies, born babies, infants, child, adulthood, any age persons, if deficiency or lack of nutrients of various vitamins in the human diet gives rise to a number of disease and disorders. What is the deficiency of vitamins? If deficiency or lack of various vitamins in the human bodies in the diets give rise to the number of disease or disorders. It is called deficiency of vitamin deficiency diseases. There are different types of diseases, and different types of diseases occurs due to the reason of different types of lack of vitamins. So diseases that are caused due to lack of carbohydrates, lack of proteins, lack of vitamins, or lack of minerals in the diet are called deficiency diseases. So all of you know what is the deficiency of diseases? Means due to the lack of vitamins, lack of carbohydrates, lack of fats, lack of minerals, lack of proteins, there are different diseases exist in the human bodies, and that disease is known as the deficiency diseases. So there are different types of vitamins. Already I have discussed about the different types of vitamins A, B, C, D, K, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, like this, B6, B12. So different types of vitamins are having different sources. So different types of vitamins also give different types of disease. So one by one I will discuss here. Deficiency of vitamins. So in the deficiency of vitamins, first deficiency of vitamins A. Vitamin A. Deficiency of vitamin A. Deficiency of vitamin A gives the disease like weakness or vision or eyesight. Due to the lack of vitamins A, person can be blindness. So in dim light, vitamin A cannot see properly in dim light. If any person may be affected by the vitamin A, then that person cannot see properly in the dim light, or in light you can say easily. During the nights that person cannot be seen anything. So the inability of a person to see properly in dim light is called night blindness. So which types of vitamins A? If the deficiency of vitamin A, then which types of diseases exist in the human bodies? Blindness. Blindness. It is the symptoms of vitamins A. If anybody is saying I cannot see properly in the dim light. Then you should understand this. That person's affected by the deficiency of vitamin A. After this, next deficiency of vitamin B. Vitamin B. Deficiency of vitamin B. So, deficiency of vitamin B, that persons, which persons having less vitamin B, vitamin B1, so that persons affected to the disease by very types of disease. What is the which types of disease? Very types of diseases. And what are the symptoms of very diseases? The muscles of the persons become very weak and he has very little energy for any activity. A person may be suffer heart failures or become die. If any persons suffering from the deficiency of vitamin B1, so that persons affected by the disease very. And what is the symptom of very? Symptoms of very disease is weakness. Person will be very suffer from tiredness. He suffer, and person may be suffer failures to heart failures and maybe dies. It is the symptoms of deficiency of vitamin B1. This disease, vitamin B1, and this is vitamin A. Now after vitamin B1, next deficiency of vitamin C. Deficiency of vitamin C. So, which types of disease affected to vitamin C? So, the deficiency of vitamin C causes the disease known as the scurvy. What is scurvy? Small tickets in the hands is known as the scurvy. So, the symptoms of deficiency of vitamin C cause a disease known as the scurvy. Diseases. So, due to the lack of vitamin C, that persons affected to the disease as a scurvy. Okay, so vitamin C is affected by the person's vitamin C. What is the symptom of vitamin C or scurvy disease? So, symptoms of vitamin C deficiencies are bleeding. Always bleeding from the bodies, bleeding from the gums, losing teeth, and itches and pains. It is the symptoms of vitamin C scurvy diseases. So, scurvy, what is the, anybody can be asked, what is the symptom of scurvy diseases? So, scurvy disease, the symptoms are bleeding in gums and tired, pains, itches, ticking teeth. It is the symptoms of vitamin C. Now after the vitamin C, next deficiency of vitamin D. Vitamin D. So, blindness, unable to see, in dim light. Very means weakness. Heart failure. Scurvy. Bleeding gums. Itches. Pains. These are the symptoms. This is disease, this is symptoms. Symptoms. And vitamin D. What is the disease affected by the lack of the deficiency of vitamin D? So the deficiency of vitamin D is the leading to the small children cause disorder the bodies, disorder the known as the rickets. These types of disease, rickets. What is the rickets? So all of you know, rickets is a type of disease. Their bone bend inward direction, bend down, or small legs, and there are many symptoms about the rickets. Rickets mostly occurring in the childhood is in the small child due to the deficiency of vitamin D. So the rickets types of disease occurring in the children. So this symptom is a soft, bones become soft and bent, bones legs, and their chest also pigeon size chest becomes pigeon size chest. It is the symptoms of the rickets. Bent, pigeon side chest. So these are the symptoms and diseases of the deficiency of the vitamins. So there are different types of vitamins. So if you want to you will take proper diet, balanced diet, then you will be safe from these types of diseases. So after this, deficiency of vitamins, after deficiency of minerals. So there are different types of disease caused by the deficiency of minerals. So various minerals in the human diet also gives different types of energy, various types of energy. So number of disease or number of disorders can be exist due to the lack of different types of minerals or different types of vitamins. So we will now discuss the disease caused by the deficiency of different types of minerals. So first, as you know, different types of minerals: calcium, iodine, phosphorus, carbon, sulfur, different types of fluorine. These are minerals. So we will discuss about the different types of minerals and which types of disease occurs due to the lack of minerals. So first, deficiency of calcium. Deficiency of calcium. So all of you know, calcium gives us the strong teeth, strong bone. When a child is born, its bones are soft. For the bones to become hard, calcium compounds must be supplied. Means calcium is the necessary for strong bone. If a child does not give sufficient amount of calcium, its bones remains soft and bend under the weight of own body. If any person, any child does not get sufficient amount of calcium, then their bones bend down under the weight of his own body. So this is called, and this types of disease is called a rickets, deficiency of calcium. What is the work of calcium? So this types of rickets disease, rickets. And what is the sources of calcium? Already I have told you, I have discussed before 2 to 3 lectures. What is the sources of different types of minerals, different types of nutrients. So deficiency of calcium is the rickets. Next, deficiency of iodine. Iodine, all of you know, iodine, deficiency of iodine is a type of disease exists in the human body in the neck. It is known as the goiter. What? That type of disease is known as the goiter. And this is known as the goiter is the disease exists in the neck of human bodies. Goiter is the disease exists in the human body in the neck, and the deficiency of iodine minerals in the diet can cause two diseases: goiter and mental retardation. Two types of disease: goiter and mental retardation. Mental retardation. Retardation, already you have discussed, and it is a familiar word, acceleration and retardation. So retardation means decreasing order, not increasing. So deficiency of iodine, there are two types of diseases exists. First goiter and second mental retardation. So after this, what is the symptom of this iodine? Goiter and mental disorder, mental retardation. So, due to the lack of the iodines, man can be suffering from the swelling in their neck here. It is known as a goiter. After this, deficiency of iron. Deficiency of iron. Iron, most important minerals. Iron, very useful minerals. Iron for human bodies. So, iron minerals is necessary for the making hemoglobin in the human bodies, in the blood present of cells. What is the work of iron? Iron's work is making hemoglobin. All of you know what is the hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a red pigment. That's why blood will become a red color. So, lack of hemoglobins. Due to the lack of hemoglobins, which types of disease will be exist? So, anemia. Which types of disease? Anemia means deficiency of iron in the diet leads to the disease called anemia. Anemia. What is the work of iron? Iron makes the hemoglobin in the blood, and hemoglobin is a red pigment. So deficiency of iron leads to a disease that is known as the anemia. Anemia. Symptom of anemia. Symptoms of anemia are person looks Light yellow means pale. Feels very weak. Tires easily and lost weight. This his nails also turn white. It is a symptom. Symptoms. White. Tires easily. These are the symptoms of the deficiency of means person suffering from the anemia. Their symptoms is these are symptoms. Now the next, deficiency of phosphorus. Phosphorus, deficiency of phosphorus. So these types of deficiency of phosphorus leads to the disease, bad teeth and weakness. What? Bad teeth. The teeth color is not so good. Teeth is weak, become very weak, and weakness. Bad teeth and weakness. These are the symptoms of the deficiency of phosphorus. So, thus all the deficiency diseases can be prevented by eating a balanced diet. Any types of disease. If you will take proper diet, balanced diet, there will be no problems in your human's life cycle or any activities or any disorders. But if anyone does not take proper diet, balanced diet, they will be suffering from the different types of disease. These are known as the different types of deficiency diseases due to the lack of minerals and due to the lack of nutrients. So these are the different types of diseases. So today's second chapter has finished and I will start next chapter. Thank you.